So guys, let's learn how to do a voiceover on a video. You know, Facebook recommends that you do original content, and original content means you create your own videos and you use your own sounds, like it could be your voice or a sound that was created by you. So since many people cannot create their own sounds, your voice is usually the most easiest and most affordable one you can have. So let me show you how you can do a voiceover. But before we get there, please check in the comment section. I did a video, I think some months ago, on how you can use your photos or AI photos to make a video. So if you're someone who is not courageous enough to sit in front of the camera and pass whatever message, or you want to tell a story, or you want to do a tutorial, you can as well use AI photos. Okay, I've also created videos. The pinned video on my timeline is a tutorial on how to create your own AI photos. Then the link in the comment section is a video on how you can put these photos together to form a video. And now I want to show you how, after forming that video, how you can do a voiceover. That is how you can record your voice on that video to make it your original content. Maybe you're telling a story, or you're narrating something, or you're passing an information. How can you do that on this video you created with just photos, or this video you took and you just want your voice to be on the video? So if you're watching me for the first time, please do well to follow me, because I'll be dropping a lot of tutorial and content that is going to help you grow your account. Also, whoever is watching this video, please help me to like, support me by sharing, and also drop a comment. Don't hesitate to ask any question you have, and I'm going to make a video for you. So now follow me, let me show you how to do this. So you guys, you get to your screen, you have CapCut. Okay, so make sure you download CapCut. You can download it on Apple Store or Play Store. You click new project. Now you select photos. Okay, select whatever photo you want to share or you want to use to create your video. That's what I'm doing right now. I'm selecting random photos so you can use them to make a video. So I'm going to select like 13 photos. Yeah, and after selecting these photos, you take add. Okay, you take add, and after add, now you just look at the triangle there. You can click to make sure that your video is okay. Yeah, I've done a video on how to do this and how to make it even more beautiful. Next, look down here where you have audios, where you have the TikTok sign, audio. Click there, and now you see sounds. You can get other sounds from TikTok, brand music, copyright, sound clicks, text to audio. So you don't need all of those. What we want to do, we want to record. So look at the speaker there, record. That is what you need. That is what you want to do. So you click the speaker, and when you click the speaker, you're going to have this. Look at the blue highlighted speaker. That is what you also need. So what you just need to do is click the speaker there. Once you click the speaker, it's going to give it, so you can start speaking. Okay, after the countdown to 3, you can start speaking, and you tell your story, you sing a song, you pass a message and information, or whatever you want the world to hear, whatever you want to give to the world. You can speak it here, and they are going to hear you. Okay, and after speaking whatever you want to speak, then now you click on the speaker again, and it's going to stop. Next, you see delete record and the tick. You just have to click the tick, and the voice has already recorded. Okay, the voicemail you heard me speaking, so now you can start taking. That is what I recorded on that video, and that is all. You then fix your video the way you want to fix it, and then next you can export and upload it to your Facebook, your TikTok, or your YouTube. Thank you for watching this far. I'm going to make another video to show you how you can add caption and how you can edit your caption. Please don't forget to follow me. Don't forget to subscribe if you can. Okay, I have this subscription option available. Don't forget to Also subscribe on my YouTube. Okay, please, I'm lazy to post content there, but just subscribe. I'll be uploading the content soon. Okay, and also give this video a thumbs up, share, and leave a comment. Thank you so much. See you in my next video. Bye.